Hello! Today we are going to be learning about money. Can anyone tell me something they already know about money? First, we are going to learn about some of the symbols of money. This is the dollar sign. It represents the word dollar. When placed in front of a number like this, it reads $1. This is the cent sign. When placed in front of a number, it reads 1 cent. Can someone tell me what it would say if with a 5 with a cent sign after it? It would look like this. How about a 10 with a cent sign after it? It would look like this. And finally, what about a 25 with a cent sign after it? What would it read? 25 cents. Great! The first coin we're going to learn about is the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. How would you write 1 cent? Can you write it down on your paper and hold it up in the air? The second coin is called the nickel. A nickel represents 5 cents. Can you write 5 cents on your paper? Now, how can we make 5 cents with what we learned already? Well, we know that 1 nickel equals 5 cents. And we know that a penny equals 1 cent. So 5 pennies would equal 1 nickel. Let's count out loud together the 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies make 1 nickel, or 5 pennies makes 5 cents. Now let's learn about the dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Can you write down 10 cents on your paper and hold it up in the air? Now, how can you make 10 cents? We've already learned about the nickel, which is worth 5 cents, and we've already learned about the penny, which is worth 1 cent. We can make it using 1 dime, because 1 dime equals 10 cents. Can we think of any other ways of making 10 cents? Use your paper to draw out the coins you may need if you need help. Another way is using 2 nickels. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents, so 2 nickels is worth 10 cents because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 2 nickels equals 10 cents. Now, how can we make 10 cents using pennies? We know that 1 cent is a penny. So how many pennies does it take to make 10 cents? Use your paper to draw out the coins if you need help. But let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 pennies makes 10 cents. Can you guys think of any other way to make 10 cents out of the coins we've already learned? If so, draw it on your paper and hold it up in the air. Next, we're going to talk about the quarter. The quarter represents 25 cents. Can you write down 25 cents on your paper? Now, how can we make 25 cents? Use the coins that we have already learned to work through this. We know that 1 quarter equals 25 cents. How can we make 25 cents out of nickels? We know that 1 nickel equals 5 cents. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents. 5 nickels equals 25 cents. How can we make 25 cents using nickels and dimes? Use your paper to work out this question. We know that the nickel is worth 5 cents and the dime is worth 10 cents. So, 1 dime, 10 cents, another dime, 10 cents, so 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 nickel, which is 5 cents, so 20 plus 5 equals 25 cents. 2 dimes plus 1 nickel makes 25 cents, and that is the same as 1 quarter. Now, how can we make 25 cents using only pennies? Well, a penny is worth 1 cent, so let's count 1 cent all the way up to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 pennies makes 25 cents. Now let's talk about what we've learned about so far. We've learned that 1 penny equals 1 cent. The nickel equals 5 cents. The dime equals 10 cents. And the quarter equals 25 cents. Now let's practice adding coins together. In this first pink box, how much money is in the pink box? Well, we know that 1 penny is 1 cent, so we have 2 pennies. 2 pennies is 2 cents. We know that the nickel is 5 cents and the dime is 10 cents. So 10 plus 5 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. Now, let's see how much money is in the second box. Use your paper and try to work through this question on your own. Now let's try to work through it together. We know that a quarter is worth 25 cents and a penny is worth 1. So 25 cents plus 1, 2, 3 is 28 cents. Now if it were real life, when you go to a store, you pay for your candy or your toys with money. So let's say we went to the store and this toy car was worth 12 cents. What combination of coins can we pay for the toy car? Well, there are many combinations of coins that we can pay for this toy car, but what is the least amount of coins we can use to pay for the toy car? Use your piece of paper to work through the problem and then we'll go through it together. Okay, we know that 1 dime is worth 10 cents and 1 penny is worth 1 cent. So 1 dime, 10 cents, plus 2 pennies, 2 cents. So it's 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we'll pay with 1 dime and 2 pennies. Next, we're going to go to the store and buy a doll. What combination of coins can we pay for the doll? The doll is 42 cents. Use your paper to work through this problem if you have to draw it out, it's okay. We know that 1/4 equals 25 cents. 1 dime is 10 cents. That makes 35 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents. So 35 plus 5 is 40, leaving only 2 pennies to add up to 42 cents. So 25 cents a quarter, plus 10 cents a dime, plus 5 cents a nickel, plus 2 pennies, 2 cents, equals 42 cents.